What up, y'all? We're waiting for Tyler and Seth. Seth's gonna be off around 3-4 o'clock. I'm gonna go ride around until Tyler's ready, and then we'll get a ride on today. Let's go. Oh my god! Hey! I know, that's the hardest part. Yeah, definitely. What's up, Hollister? Oh, not easily. Not with this bike, at least. Oh, never mind. We're good. You fucking retard. You went the absolute hardest way possible. Woo! I think I know where this is gonna lead. I think I rode the top portion of this trail earlier. Maybe, maybe not. What the fuck? Where this shit goes in like 5 different directions. We could have made a left when we came in too. All of it is just like fucking sketch at the same time. You better take the pathway, you puss-tard. There's a fucking walkway all the way down, but it's boring. My GoPro keeps cutting out. We're trying to make this fucking vlog happen today, but we're running out of my batteries are shitty. And they're running out super quick. I only have one good battery, which is the original that came with it. So, let's see what we get today. This leads, right? You know the baseball field that we go through to go to the OB path? Yeah. Very, very sandy. Whoa! I went to fucking put my foot down and there was a pothole that I put my foot into. Bonked my helmet. Yeah. Oh, it's getting narrow. Whoa. Oh my god, street sand. Oh man. Here goes nothing. Come up here. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, Seth's calling me. What up? Can we plug these in real quick?
Huh?
Can we plug these in for a little?
Right there.
Okay. We got a guest rider. Shoo! Kyle's 300. Tyler's still the slow boy. Lead the way, Seth. Woo! Go left. Go. All right, Seth, do you actually know where we're going?
No.
No. Second time on the freeway! Woo! Yeah, we can hear you. Fuck, we got hella people with us. I can't. Oh yeah. Oh shit! What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? I don't know. I don't think so. This trail is sick, bro. Wait for me. Oh shit. Fuck, bro. I know. Hell yeah, this is sick. What? I hope so. Oh, there's water down here. Oh, oh. Yeah, we got it. We got it. Ah, shit, there's some people. Yeah, they don't like this. Yeah, that's why I don't stop and talk to people. I just keep mobbing. Yeah, in here. Dude, these trails are so much more fun with the DRZ. Last time I rode them with the Grom. It's like retarded. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fucking mobbing. That's my old school up there. That's my middle school. Oh shit. Woo! Oh no, you got it! Woo! Holy shit, it's so tall, the weeds. Oh my god. Oh shit. Boy, through that. I'm like way up here. Oh, holy shit. Hopefully we can get out. Oh yeah, it goes to the street. It goes to the street. We're good.
It was so thick with vegetation.
Vegetation. Oh shit, there's a cop, there's a cop, there's a cop, there's a cop. Oh my god. Ah, fuck. There's nothing illegal with dropping my bike. No, it doesn't look like it. He just turned his lights on. I couldn't touch the ground and I fucking tipped. If we can get down there, it's a trail. Oh, he's going. Oh man, oh no! Oh no! Fuck! I know. Bro, I can't touch the ground enough to do this, I don't think. Whoa, I'm like slipping just walking down it. Oh, it's a pretty sweet trail once you're down here, bro. I want to see you go back up that. Did you even think about that?
Don't let this be no murder case.